Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You open Snapdrop, net on both devices, and immediately look for the other device's tile. Make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi network or hotspot so they can see each other. This is critical. Once you see the tile, click it to initiate a connection and accept the incoming prompt on the other device. You do this because Snapdrop uses local network discovery, no accounts, no uploads, so visibility and permissions are the only prerequisites to begin transferring. Now you select what to send. Tap the recipient's tile and pick files, or simply drag and drop into the browser window. If you have many items, consider a zip to preserve folders and reduce clicks, otherwise send files one after another. You'll see a progress bar on both sides. Watch it until it finishes and do not close the tab. Once done, the receiver will be prompted to save. Accept and choose the destination folder so files land where you expect. Finish by opening a transferred file to confirm integrity and then move files into long-term folders. If something goes wrong, first refresh both browser tabs and try again, then toggle Wi-Fi or reconnect both devices to the exact same network. You may need to disable a VPN or firewall that blocks local discovery and check browser permissions for file saving. Finally, retry a small test file to verify the fix. Once that succeeds, repeat the original transfer with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.